A lot of the emphasis on a desktop publishing document is placed on the graphic elements. Make it look good, use your space properly, make sure it's a visually appealing document. And that's certainly important, but what's also important is the content of your article. So when you are dealing with desktop publishing software, it's not like word processing software in that I can simply click and start typing. That doesn't happen. So just like graphics, I need to create a place to put my text. So we've already discussed art text, which is a little bit different than text frames. So I'm going to choose a text frame, and I'm going to drag out a text box that allows me to place text in. So within this frame, it essentially works like a small word processor, where I have my subcontext menu here for all my different text options. So to demonstrate how this works, I'm going to paste into this box some text. So you'll see that the text I pasted in is bigger than the space I have created. So you have this little eye icon right here, and that little eyeball will show you how much text you have overflowing the current space. So there's a couple of ways to deal with this. I could use the traditional method and simply make the font smaller, or I could simply drag my box and make it bigger. But what I can do, because layout is an important issue, is click on this triangle, and I can pull out another text box. And you'll see the text flowing from one box into the second box. So to demonstrate how that works, I'm going to click on this first box and make it smaller. And as I make it smaller, more of the text is going to be pushed from this box down into this box. So I have then the freedom to play and choose with my text layout to make it look good. And I also have the freedom then to control where the secondary text is going to go. So again, I can make that a little bit bigger. I can see how much text I have left. Well, I still have that much left, so I can either expand this box and this box, or I can click on this little arrow and add another box. And I can make that box fit the remaining text. There, I think that looks pretty good there. So I have the options then of editing any of these boxes, of moving them around. If I decide to click in here and choose the font, I can then obviously change the font or the size. Let's say I want to make the font a little bit bigger. That then will allow me to adjust my text boxes. We'll come down here. I can even go from page to page. So I want to see how much text I have left. So I have this much left. So I can link that again back even onto the next page and let that text fill in that way. So those text boxes with the overflow frames are super handy to use. At any point in time, you can edit, change, modify what you need to do to incorporate all of your text. Okay.